Alright guys, so that's that heater box or air conditioner box there where it was broke. Alright guys, so hey, I got these pieces, these evaporators back from down there at my guy's gyms, the radiator and repair shop. So I'm gonna come in and I just want to seal that off where it's nothing getting inside of this at all. And then I'm going to hold this, making sure I don't crack or damage it or anything. Bend it, anything like that. And I'm going to just come in and polish these lines up, make sure I don't mess nothing up. So I'm gonna go over this whole thing, just taking my time, guys. He did some work to him, but I'm gonna just come here and get him a little better. I like he gave me the seals and stuff to put in here, so that's a good thing. So when I put this stuff together, I'll be able to put brand new seals on here. Alright, so I sprayed that cleaner on there. So now, all I'm trying to do, guys, is make sure that I get nothing on the inside of here. Alright, so that's sealed off now. I come through. Polish these nuts out the best I can. Alright guys, so now I'm going to come through here. And I was just at the parts store. And I should have brought me some more clear, but I forgot, guys. And I'm hoping this clear ain't gonna hurt nothing. I should have asked them that today when I went down and picked these up. I should have asked them, do it hurt to add a little clear? Only here, but I didn't. So I'm gonna add a little clear. Yeah, I'm not being careful with this, guys, but that's good. That's all I'm gonna do, just add that little clear. Alright, so putting this evaporator box back together, guys, I want to put these clips back on here. So these clips go at the bottom. Alright, so I'm going to clean these off the best I can. Get any bit of, just going through this car, guys, I mean, I just want to get any excess rust and, you know, just spraying it off with the wax and grease remover, and it will take off all that dirt and grime off of these guys this way here. So I say, guys, it's always best to take pictures or whatever it takes. And this is gonna go in this little slot here. Let's see if I can get this box down in here. All right. Let me put that around and make sure this is gonna slip into the right slot. All right, it's going in there. No problem. The crickling that I hear is this label. All right. All right, so let's put this on here and get that to slide in. All right, guys, so this is in here now. Now, I just put a little protection on these, nothing major, just sandblasted them, put a little clear. I'm not really worried about it. I didn't feel like wasting the paint on this. It won't be seen, so just a little bit protection. So I'm gonna get all of these screws in here, guys. Make sure these are pushed down. It's good to go. All right. All right, so that piece is in there, guys. All righty. She's looking good. I like the way that's looking. All right, so Jim gave me some seals. And he said these are the seals that I need. I gotta just figure out which ones is which. All right, so he said not much. So I am going to grease this baby up and put it in place. All right, so a little oil on this one. All right, just want to find all the places that we have seals. I take this off, and all the seals was off of here, but let me pull that off. This one is a little thicker. Look like the same thing there. Yeah, that's the same one there. All right, a little oil on here. All right. So now, yeah, it's one more probably here. Let me pull this off. So here took all the seals off of there, but these still have seals on them, I believe. Nope, that one's off of there too. But that might be the seal that goes in here though, so. Alright, so with that seal in there, see if I can get this to catch. Alright, there we go. I'm just mocking this up for now, guys. I'm not gonna tighten everything down. I'm just snugging it up for now. Alright, so I believe that one goes there. Yep, and this one has a little seal in it. I'm going to take that one out. And I believe this is going to go on here. I'm trying to make sure this didn't pinch at all. Hope this still, nope, it still looks good. All right. All right. So I'm gonna run this up. All right, so that's good enough for now. I'm not gonna tighten everything down right now. I just want to snug everything up. Hope I didn't damage the tube there. All right. And this is why I didn't tighten anything down yet, guys, because I want to get all of this stuff mocked up on here before I tighten anything down. So I mean, I did put tape on there to stop that from getting damaged or whatever, so that's fine. All right, so, oh, the screw fell out, which I might have to, nope, that one's gonna slide up on there. All right, guys, so I just wanna slide that back up on there. And I want to tighten this down. I'll take a screw out of another one that I got sitting here. And I might need to move this back some, but alright guys, so I'm using the strip chalk. And I'm gonna just make me a gasket here, guys. And I believe this gasket should work just as good as the one that's ripped up there. We will see. But I think they sell them in bigger strips than this. But I don't have any more. So I'm gonna have to go to the parts store and buy some more. But for right now, I am just doubling this up, guys. And putting it on here.